Yeah, messieurs, this is our petit four and minière discard. We can have up to 43 to 45 different varieties.
Wow. How many varieties?
From 40 to 45. Wow. We have chocolate, let's start. Chocolate with a cream of lemon. We have also a miniature Paris-Brest, which is a puff pastry with a cream of praline. This is Cannelé de Bordeaux, it's like a sponge cake, caramelized with rum on the outside. I have a chocolate macaron with a dome of chocolate. I also have a gelée of peach with a crystalline of Kirschwasser inside. This is a rocher of white chocolate with a limoncello liqueur. I also have a bark of dark chocolate with caramelized rice puff and pepper. I continue down here with a white chocolate and a velouté of violets and blueberry. This is a dark chocolate ganache with cinnamon in a cookie that is made with brown sugar and molasses. I continue with a chocolate with coffee filling, chocolate with raspberry, chocolate with 5 spices, chocolate with hazelnuts. Then I have a Palais d'Or, which is a dark chocolate ganache. Next to it I have Nougat Montélimar. More chocolates consisting of dark chocolate with Japanese juice lemon, dark chocolate with pistachio, milk chocolate with orange picot tea. We also have milk chocolate with a cream of banana, milk chocolate with a crispy feuilletine of praline, dark chocolate with a cream of peanut butter. This is a fill of chocolate with crispy cocoa nibs, followed by a meringue of raspberry. I also have segments of orange with, on this side, right here, I'm sorry, this one here is a segment of orange dipped in chocolate. I have also chocolate with a confit of ginger. I have a rocher of praline with, which is rolled in rice puff. This is a coffee caramel. This is a blue curacao and poppy seed meringue. Some financier of pineapple, more chocolate. This one is filled with caramel. Then I have
What are those?
those are lollipops of lemon. I also have
oh, I'll take that.